Today's video is Shiso Chicken Schnitzel. Be careful, don't cut and don't put too much. Yummy bones. Put Japanese barbecue sauce. Challenge.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'd like to show you how to make crumbled chicken cheese. Sounds very nice, is it? Today I use chicken tenderloin. Why I use tenderloin? Because chicken tenderloin has very good nutrients and low fat and good for muscle. Today I'm gonna make two kind of chicken katsu. Chicken katsu meaning crumbed chicken, like a schnitzel. First, cheese and plum.
違うでしょ。チーズとシソでしょ？
チーズと。First one is cheese and shiso leaf. It's very popular dish and it's my favorite as well. Second one is pickled plum and shiso leaf. This also very good combination. Let's get cooked!
Ingredients. This is chicken tenderloin, crumbled panko, pickled plum, shiso leaf, flour, cheese. At first, take off the white skin, but you don't have to force it, because take off with meat easily. Check it off. The next is removing tendon. Slide to cut. Check it off. The next is opening the meat. Be careful, don't cut until the end. Open it and make it flat. Easy. Opened all the tenderloin. This is shiso leaf and cut into half. Put shiso and nice amount of cheese in the middle. Don't put too much, otherwise make it disaster. Melt it in the oil. Wrap and close properly. Roll it over and make sure stick meat and meat. Looks nice? Yes, perfect! The next is plum and shiso. It's same process. Put shiso and nice amount of plum in the middle. There is a seed in the plum. Take it off. There are some kind of plum, but don't use expensive one. It's possible to choose tube one. It's easy to use it. Closed properly. Done. Good boy. Stay here. The last one is super special. Shiso&Plum&Cheese. It's all star. I call this yummy bomb. I made 5 pieces of yummy bomb. Next step is put crumbled panko. Put flour in a bowl and pour a nice amount of water. Mix well until smooth like this. This is flour and panko. First put this yummy bomb in a butter of flour. And move to panko bowl. To put nice amount of panko. Push and grab with panko gently. Cover it completely over the yummy bomb. Do same process with others. It's ready to fry. Temperature of oil is 170. Put each one slowly and carefully. After about 3 to 4 minutes, turn it over. It's cooked inside pretty easily. Don't be nervous. After outside is crispy and nice golden color, let's take it out. How it is! Very beautiful! じゃらーん I deep fried second round for my family. Show me how's inside. Look at this, perfect. How is plum and shiso? Gorgeous. Wow, special dinner tonight. Put Japanese barbecue sauce if you like. Here you go. This is Keita's Shiso Chicken Schnitzel.
Hey, how about today's video? Shiso leaf and chicken, it's very good combination and it's my very favorite dish. Today I use chicken tenderloin, but you can use chicken breast instead of this. This part of chicken is good for athlete and person on a diet. This dish is bit takes long time, but don't think very difficult. Just try it. See you in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。